There we go, back in business. Okay, so look at what just came in. Boom, ta-dow. Got my tape. 5 tubes, 5 tubes and 2 new tires for the road bike. So I'm gonna be taking and cleaning this up right through here, getting some of the sharp edges gone. You can see where I damaged it. It's pretty smooth now there, but there's a really rough spot right here on the where the seam went together, so I'm going to try to get that smoothed out. That's Tech Tuesday. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start taking care of the sharp edges on the inside here. There we go. So I want to keep my hole aligned, so I'm just going to put this little miniature screwdriver in there to hold it in place. Man, that's a tight fit. I'm a big gator fan here for Gatorskin, not actually Florida gators. Some of my favorite are Pedro's. These are really good. So I'm just trying to make sure that I don't have any of my tube caught between the tire and the rim. There we go, back in business. I think as far as truing goes, I'm good to go. Okay, so that's Tech Tuesday. I replaced the rim tape, and I used this high pressure rim strip here, Easy Tape by Continental. Big fan of Continental. These Gatorskins are pretty fantastic in my book. I rarely have flats with these, so I know something was up over the last couple of rides earlier this week when I had 2 flats in a row, both Tuesday or Monday and Tuesday. So with that, I'm going to put this thing on the, put this rim and tire back on the bike and take it out for a spin.